Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to discuss the issues involved in considering whether or not you should use a server-based system connection to Amazon SES. Now the server-based system connections are typically priced as one-time fees. And if you look just at the fee, you might think that it's cost effective to pay one time and then to use Amazon SES, which is less expensive than you would a traditional autoresponder service, and to operate your email marketing. However, there's more to consider. Now, these server-based systems require your maintenance and your installation. So just getting it up and running will require you to take time in order to get it operational and then for you to maintain the system. And these systems, in their installation as well as their maintenance, do require technical ability. And this is going to be outside of monitoring the email activity. So whether or not your emails are bouncing and whether or not your emails are doing what they're supposed to be doing, those are going to be things that you are going to have to take on or have someone on your staff take on. In addition to that, though, you are going to need to make sure that the server is working correctly in order to house your software. These systems do require your ability to troubleshoot something if something goes wrong. In some cases, if you have a problem with the server, you could be having a problem with your email system. Now, these systems do have well-documented forum areas with other users. So typically, if there is a problem that you were having, other people have had the problem and they can help you to work through a solution. Now, those forums do depend on participation from users like you with problems and solutions. So you are really participating in a community by being part of a group of people using the software. Sometimes the software is open source. Sometimes the software is a paid solution. Regardless, you will be participating with other people who have paid a relatively low cost for the software and maintenance. However, they're working through problems together. Now, this in and of itself might be why the one-time fee might be deceptive to the wrong person. So if you can't work through problems, if you can't participate in some of the communities, this may or may not be the right way to make a decision. The question is going to be whether or not you're willing to take on this task of server maintenance and participation in the communities, or to hire out the maintenance and monitoring as an expense to someone else. Now, the proper cost comparison that you'll want to make for a self-hosted system, it can either be between the traditional email service and then the cost will look very good, or it could be between the server-based system and other cloud-based services connected to Amazon SES. And we'll actually look at those costs in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.